What's up, everybody? Cody with Plug Uglies. Doing a little lettering project on this toolbox that was given to me. Actually going to do the lettering on this and give it to our good friend Aaron. He's seen this in the shop the other day after somebody brought it to me and was asking about it, and he seemed really intrigued by it and wanted it. Actually asked me if he could buy it from me, but I'd already planned to give it to him. But I wanted to throw some custom, some pinstriping or some lettering on it for him. So I told him he couldn't buy it, told him it wasn't for sale. But we're gonna letter this thing out and then hand it off.
Oh, dude. That's fucking bitching. That's awesome.